Hello everyone, I'm here at the Akshaya Patra Foundation at the kitchen where they make fresh, healthy, hot and wholesome breakfast and they supply to children in government schools. So let's take a tour of their kitchen and see how all this is made. We are here at the Thiruvanmayur kitchen, which serves breakfast to over 5,100 government school children every day across 16 schools in and around Adayar, Velachery and Thiruvanmayur. We are making wheat dalia, that is sambar rava khichdi. It looks very nutritious. It has a lot of vegetables in it. It smells amazing. We're also making a big pot of sambar. As you can see, it's loaded with all the nutrients of the vegetables and the lentils. It also has these black chickpeas, making it very wholesome and very tasty. These are specially designed insulated vessels that is used to deliver the food hot to all the schools. Cooking is complete for the day and all of it is being packed in the insulated vessels. Now that everything is packed, next they are loaded in the delivery trucks. There are about 6 to 7 trucks waiting to be loaded. Each of these trucks are uniquely customized to take these insulated vessels safely to the government schools in and around Chennai. So here I have the sambar rava khichdi and the delicious tur dal sambar, which I am going to taste now. That is going to be had by all the little children in all the government schools. It looks very delicious, very nutritious. It's so hot and so nice, so creamy and very, very tasty. It's full of flavor and so rich. The sambar is amazing. It's got all these vegetables and the chickpeas. It's just so tasty. Why wouldn't the kids enjoy this meal? I mean, it's so good. I'm enjoying it right now. It's just amazing. Breakfast includes a variety of items like pongal, idli rava upma, rava khichdi, rava pongal, coconut and peanut poha, sambar rava pongal, khichdi, upma and arasi kurunai upma. All this along with a variety of sambars. Started in the year 2000, today Akshaya Patra has 55 kitchens across 12 states and 2 union territories and serves 1.8 million midday meals to over 19,000 schools in these regions every day. Coming to the school and seeing what difference a meal makes to these kids is a pleasant and humble experience. Akshaya Patra's motto is, "No child should be deprived of education because of hunger." Akshaya Patra's midday meal program has a positive impact in increasing enrollment, improving daily attendance and the attention span of children in their classrooms. For a donation of only Rs 1,100 a year, a deserving child can have access to nutritious midday meals every school day. Check the link in the description for details.